Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap Dodge Charger mirrors. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need your chosen vinyl wrap, a squeegee to smooth it out, and a heat gun or hairdryer to make the vinyl pliable. A sharp utility knife is vital for precise cuts, along with a surface cleaner like isopropyl alcohol and a clean microfiber cloth. Don't forget a measuring tape for accurate sizing. For complex curves, a specialized mirror wrap tool can be a helpful aid. Proper preparation is key for a lasting wrap. Begin by thoroughly washing your Dodge Charger mirrors with soap and water, ensuring all dirt is removed. Next, use isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface, eliminating any grease or wax that could hinder adhesion. Dry the mirror completely with a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth. Finally, measure the mirror's dimensions and cut your vinyl wrap, allowing for at least 2 to 3 extra inches on all sides for easier handling and trimming. Now for the application. Carefully peel back a small portion of the vinyl's backing to expose the adhesive. Position the vinyl precisely over your mirror, often starting from the center or a flat edge. Use your squeegee to smooth the vinyl, working outwards to push out any air bubbles. For those challenging curves, gently heat the vinyl with your heat gun. This makes it pliable, allowing it to stretch and conform perfectly to the mirror's shape without excessive force. To complete your mirror wrap, use a sharp utility knife to carefully trim any excess vinyl, creating a clean and professional edge. Ensure all edges are tucked securely around the mirror housing for a seamless look. The most crucial step is post-heating the entire wrapped surface. Heat the vinyl to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This process removes the vinyl's memory, ensuring it adheres permanently and prevents any future peelback, giving you a durable and stunning finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.